Hi all, what I'm going to show you today is the fastest PKI setup in the world, probably. I'm going to use certdog and a script you can get from the Crestfield GitHub site to do this. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to navigate to the GitHub site. So this is a brand new install of Server 22. This will work on Server 2019 and 2016. Okay, so we're going to go to the GitHub repo, github.com/Crestfield, and we're going to look at our repositories here, and we're going to search for certdog. There's several scripts there that you can have a look at. The one we're going to look at today is in certdog scripts. This is where our general scripts are held, and I'm just going to download the release over here, which is going to be a zip file. But if you want, you can just go in and look at the PowerShell script. It's a single script that we're going to be running today. Okay, so it's downloaded it. I'm going to have a look at that. Now, as this is downloaded off of the internet, and this is a new install of Windows, I'm just going to right-click Properties and unblock that so that we can run the script within there. I'm going to extract that. Okay, and now the only part we actually need here is this script. So if I change this to file name extensions, you can see it's an automated setup.ps1. And if we have a look at that script quickly, we'll see there's some parameters at the top that you can have a look through and change for your setup. But what this script is going to do is it's going to download certdog, it's going to install it, and then it's going to configure it. And we're going to have a full working PKI with CRL and OCSP services at the end of it. Okay, so to make things really easy, I'm just going to copy this script onto the C drive, straight to C. Okay, and I'm going to open a PowerShell window as administrator. Okay, I'm going to go back directly on the C drive, and then we're going to run this script, automated setup. I'm just going to hit return. I don't have to enter anything, any of the parameters I could have edited at the top of that script. This will take about 3 minutes to download and install, and we're going to speed this step up. Okay, so depending on your network speed, that should have taken between 3 and maybe 5 minutes to install and be configured. And we're going to log in with some default credentials, which are admin and password. And these can be changed by changing the values at the start of that script that we ran. Okay, so we're going to log in. And we're just going to have a quick look at the CAs that we've created here. We have a root CA, and that has CRL services. And we have an issuing CA, which has CRL, which will be available here, as well as OCSP services. Okay, so we're not going to worry about that too much. We're just going to go straight in and issue a certificate. So just a simple SSL certificate for server 1 here. We're going to add that name as a DNS SAN, and we're just going to enter a password. This is going to generate our key so that we can obtain this certificate as a certificate itself, as well as a P12PFX file. We're going to request that. There we go, we've got the certificate. Let's just have a look at that certificate quickly. Okay, here's the certificate. You'll see it chains up to the root, and that's all trusted on this machine. If you want to install into your domain, then the output of the script will show you some commands on how you can do that. Let's look at the details quickly. The subject here, okay, with the subject alternative name as well. CRL distribution point, let's just check that. So we'll take that location up here, and you can see there's our CRL being produced. Let's go back here, and also has OCSP and AIA extension there, and that's all hosted within certdog. And there we go. That is how you set up a PKI in about 5 minutes. Last of all, if you need more information, wherever you are in CertDog, on the footer there's always this documentation tab. Just click that, search for what you need, and that will take you to it. There's a full REST API if you want to automate obtaining any certificates from CertDog, and you can actually try those out using the Swagger API, which you can try out here. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.